This puzzle requires more than 50 steps to solve it. So I'll start with black. This goes here and here. Then I move two white castles and move the black one here. The name of the puzzle is Swapping Castles. It was designed by Sherzod Haydarbekov from Uzbekistan and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of the Swapping Castles puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is very simple, just swap the positions of all castles without capturing. So the puzzle is based on a chess. The rules are the same as in chess. The rook always goes only straight lines, but no capturing allowed here. So you can't grab a white piece, capture the black one, and remove it from the playing board. So you just have to swap positions. So all the black rooks will be on the right and all the marble color rooks will be on the left. If you like the Swapping Castles puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So I'll start with black. This goes here and here. Then I move two white castles and move the black one here. Now I move the white back and put this black right into this spot. Now I move all the whites to the left, like all of them, and it allows me to move this black one here. Then this white goes into this corner and I can move the black rook up here. Then I have to move the black castles and I start with this one. It goes here. Then the white goes in here. Then what I can do, I can probably move all of these here and then move all this down here. And then this white goes to the top. This black goes back since I have to free some space to move it. Then I move it down here and this white rook goes here. This white rook goes here. And the last step is with this black rook. It goes here. If you like the Swapping Castles puzzle and you want to try some other great chess-based puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.